Welcome to Penny for Your Shots, conversations and cocktails with brilliant women, the podcast where we uncork the stories and insights of exceptional female leaders from all walks of life. Our goal is to serve up wisdom, tips, and inspiration, and to support each other in rediscovering ourselves and what sets our souls on fire. We'll also share personal memories, paired with friends and a favorite beverage. I'm your host, Penny Fitzgerald, and I believe that the best stories are served up over a glass of wine or a cocktail. So grab a glass, get comfy, and let's pour ourselves into Penny for Your Shots. Hello, friends. Thank you so much for listening to the Penny for Your Shots podcast. I'm Penny Fitzgerald, your host. In today's episode, I wanted to give you a quick update and let you know about some upcoming opportunities and events. So many of you reached out to me to see how we're doing and how our home that we call Fitzy South survived the latest storm, Hurricane Milton. Thank you so much for checking in on us. We made it to Florida safely, and we feel so fortunate. We lost only a few screens, some trim work, and a handful of shingles. We're so grateful. Some of our neighbors and friends were not as lucky. There are big trees down around us and some blue tarps on roofs. It'll take some time for Manatee and Sarasota counties to pick up all the trees, branches, and debris left behind. The communities and neighborhoods closer to the water, like Anna Maria, Holmes Beach, and parts of Cortez, are still digging out from all the sand. A lot of areas near us lost power for several days. Our neighborhood, which is 4 miles from the bay, is looking pretty good and only lost power for about 30 hours. We didn't realize when we bought our home that our neighborhood is 19 feet above sea level. Just a few blocks over are some beautiful homes closer to the Braden River that are only 4 feet above sea level. We're just so incredibly lucky to be where we are. And we're so grateful that our friends are safe and unharmed. Some lost belongings, and there's some work to be done to clean up for sure. But those things will get done. The beaches will come back. Many of the Sarasota and Bradenton restaurants and shops are already reopened, and they appreciate the customers. It's great to see people coming together and to help each other out. Last night, I attended my first in-person Sassy Sisters networking social at one of those reopened restaurants, Fin and Tonic, just across the bridge from Siesta Key. It was fantastic to see my sisters again and to know that they're doing well, even through multiple reconstructions of their homes for some of them this year. If you've been listening to Penny for Your Shots for a while, you've heard a few of these brilliant women's stories. They are incredibly strong, resilient, beautiful, inside and out, and supportive of other women. I've been asked, how did you find this group? When Jeff and I found our home, I wanted to build my business in Florida, so I Googled women's networking near me, and this one popped up. I mean, the name says it all. If you're an entrepreneur, or even if you are in a corporate position, I highly recommend finding a network group that's a good fit, one that feels good when you visit. And you're more than welcome to check out Sassy Sisters through our cyber socials where we meet via Zoom. If you're interested in that or just curious about the group, shoot me a DM. I'm happy to send you some info and links to check it out. When women come together to support each other, we're unstoppable. And speaking of opportunities to get together with girlfriends, you've heard me talk about Wine Camp. My Wine Camp partner, Robin Hackney, and I are busy planning Wine Camp 2025. We hope you'll join us July 24th through the 26th, 2025 in Virginia wine country. We know you have questions, so we're holding a Zoom happy hour Thursday night, October 24th at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. We'll provide more details and some fun surprises to make 2025 even better than this year's retreat. And join us live on this happy hour for a special bonus. If you're listening to this after the 24th of October, join our Facebook group. Search Wine Camp 2025 to learn more. The replay of the event and other info will be posted so you can check it all out and meet some of the other ladies. Our theme is Peace, Love, Wine. It'll be a blast in the hills around beautiful Charlottesville, Virginia, capped off with wine stock. We'll learn some new things, taste some amazing wine, and of course have so much fun together. Check out the Wine Camp 2025 Facebook group or my website for more information. That is pennyforyourshots.com/winecamp2025. I'll post the link in my show notes too. I'm also working on my next free class for female entrepreneurs and direct marketers called Stop Selling, Start Serving, January 6th through the 8th, 2025. Something I hear over and over again from entrepreneurs is that they don't want to feel salesy. They don't want to bug their friends. They don't want to be that girl on social media, and they have a lot on their plates. So they don't have time to post and post and post or to hold a lot of events to build their business. I've put together this free training to show them a better way. And I'm offering my proven language to build your business by providing better service and my systems and hacks to scale your business without overwhelm. For 1 hour each day, I'll show you a new perspective, help you overcome limiting beliefs, and begin to create a business you can be proud of. Sound like fun? For sure. To get more tips and get notified about the class, go to my website, pennyforyourshots.com, and click the button at the top of the page to save my spot. I'll include the direct link in my show notes as well. I can't wait to share my tips with you. Invite your female entrepreneurial friends and any team members too. And finally, next week marks 1 year for my podcast. Can you believe that? I've met so many absolutely brilliant women who I now call friends and have heard and shared so many amazing stories. Do you remember a particular story or maybe a cocktail that stuck with you? What was your favorite? Shoot me a message to let me know. Do you have a question about any of them that you'd like me to follow up on? Or have a suggestion for a guest or topic for me? How about you? Please let me know. I'm looking forward to sharing the stories of many more incredible women. Talk soon. Cheers, friends. That's a wrap on another spirited episode of Penny for Your Shots, conversations and cocktails with brilliant women. I hope you've enjoyed the intoxicating blend of wisdom, wit, and wonder that these incredible women bring to the table. Check out the show notes for links to resources referenced in today's episode. And remember to subscribe and raise a glass with me every Thirsty Thursday as we continue to serve up inspiration, celebrate resilience, and reignite the passions that set our souls on fire. If you've loved what you've heard, please share the podcast far and wide and leave a sparkling 5-star review to let me know your thoughts. It would also help tremendously if you would visit pennyforyourshots.com and subscribe to learn when new episodes are available and pick up my free recipe. In the meantime, remember that your story deserves to be served and savored. Cheers to your brilliance and of women everywhere. Until next time, keep sipping and experiencing life's extraordinary moments. This is Penny for Your Shots, signing off with a clink and a toast to us. Cheers.